Imagine a time when the legendary Bentley roars silently, charging ahead with the power of electricity. Sounds crazy, right? In today's video, we'll talk about Bentley's bold move into electric cars, which is sure to change the way people think about luxury cars. First, let's talk about Bentley's surprising electric adventure. The luxury vehicle titan, Bentley, known for its luxury, performance, and aristocratic style, has taken a bold step into the world of electric cars. This surprising move is a strategic reaction to the changing tastes of consumers and the growing focus on sustainability around the world. This move shows that Bentley is forward-thinking and wants to stay on the cutting edge of car technology. Going electric is a risky move for Bentley, which has a long history of making strong gasoline engines. This switch to EVs isn't just a way to keep up with the times, it's also a bold attempt to change how luxury cars will be made in the future. The company has said that it will release an impressive line of EVs that will be much better than any other electric car we've seen so far. These aren't just regular electric vehicles, they're Bentleys, made to combine luxury, speed, and environmental friendliness into one cutting-edge package. Their first all-electric car, which won't be out until late 2024, is already making waves in the industry. Even though details are being kept secret, people are very excited about this release. If the rumors are true, Bentley's first attempt at making an electric car will set new standards for style, innovation, and how well it works. This significant step shows that Bentley is not afraid to change its history and lead the luxury car industry toward an electric future. Now, let's discuss the collaboration with the Artemis project. There are rumors that Bentley's first electric car will be a crossover based on Audi's big Artemis project. This would be an exciting move. The Artemis project was first shown to the public last year. Its goal was to make a highly efficient electric car with signs of new technology and a highly automated driving system. Bentley, known for its engineering prowess, is not just an observer in this venture. The luxury car maker is doing a lot of work on the Artemis platform, which is a big change from how it usually works on technical projects. Bentley used to start engineering only after the frames were done. But Bentley is involved in this project from the very beginning, helping to form and define it from the start. The partnership shows how committed Bentley is to new ideas and makes sure that its first electric car will have a strong scientific background. This partnership marks the beginning of a new age. It combines Bentley's unmatched luxury and craftsmanship with cutting-edge electric technology, taking the brand's commitment to sustainability to the next level. Expect a product that'll change the way people drive luxury electric cars. Can you guess the range Bentley aims to achieve with their first EV? We'll reveal that answer shortly. But before that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Now we're going to discuss Bentley's gasoline goodbye. Bentley is in the middle of a big change. The brand, which is known for its strong V8 and V12 engines, has said that it'll no longer make gasoline motors. This big change in direction is a response to the changing landscape of the auto business, where more and more people are thinking about buying electric vehicles. But this doesn't mean that all gasoline cars will stop right away. Bentley knows that its combustion engines are appealing, and they promise that some of these cool internal combustion engines will still be in their range for a while longer. But by 2030, Bentley wants to only make electric vehicles. This will be a big change from their present position as the world's largest maker of 12-cylinder gasoline engines. In order to get ready for this change, Bentley will offer plug-in hybrid versions of all of their cars by 2023. Bentley's plan to stop using gasoline and become an all-electric brand by 2030 is a strong sign that they're committed to making luxury transportation that's good for the environment. This is a very important part of Bentley's goodbye to gasoline. Now, let's jump into Bentley's all-electric future. The fact that Bentley is moving towards an all-electric future is a bold change for the brand. The company's plan is that by 2026, Bentley will only sell plug-in hybrids and electric cars. Over the next 4 years, plug-in hybrids will be slowly phased out, leading to an all-electric brand by 2030. This change is about more than just powertrains. Bentley claims to change everything about what the brand stands for. The electric versions of their cars are likely to have a Bentley look with a focus on power, innovation, and a great user experience. This shows that they want to not only join the electric revolution, but also lead it while keeping their usual standards of luxury and craftsmanship. Also, this move towards being more eco-friendly will affect all of Bentley's activities. The company plans to get materials for its present and next generation of cars from sources that are good for the environment. The promise is a big change from the Bentley we have now and a bold step towards a green, all-electric future. This bold move shows how determined Bentley is to not just make it through the future, but to grow and shape it. A commitment beyond engines. Bentley's commitment to sustainability goes much further than just replacing petrol engines with electric ones. The company is also committed to using materials that are good for the environment in its present and future vehicles. This project is based on their EXP 100 GT idea, which showed off new materials like copper-infused riverwood, handmade wool carpets, and upholstery made from waste products from making wine. But Bentley's dedication doesn't end with making cars. Their factory will also change in ways that'll help the Earth. Bentley aims to reduce energy use and CO2 emissions at its facilities, eliminate plastic waste, and minimize water waste. The company wants to make its production process more environmentally friendly. Solar panels are already on the roofs of their buildings, which helps to make up for a big part of their carbon output. Plans for the future include adding more solar panels and working on other ways to handle water and trash. This all-around commitment to being eco-friendly shows that the brand is serious about sustainability in every way. Let's take a look at the role of hybrid electric cars. Bentley's moving towards an all-electric future, and hybrid electric cars are a big part of that. The SUV Bentayga and the car Flying Spur are both available as plug-in hybrids right now. These types combine the power of gasoline engines with the efficiency of electric parts, so they're both fast and good for the environment. As part of its plan to change, Bentley is not going straight to a range of all-electric cars. Instead, it sees plug-in hybrid electric cars as a big step in the right direction. By combining traditional combustion engines with new electric technology, Bentley makes sure that its loyal customers have a smooth transition while also drawing new customers who are interested in greener options. In fact, Bentley plans to release 5 more plug-in hybrid EVs over the next few years. This shows how important they think hybrids are to the brand's shift. This year, the company thinks that plug-in cars will make up more than 20% of its sales. Clearly, Bentley sees hybrid electric cars as more than just a fix. They're an important step towards an all-electric future. The switch to electric cars is the start of a new era for Bentley, a brand that puts a lot of money into innovation and environmental responsibility. Bentley is putting money into new research and development facilities, a vehicle test center, and a launch quality facility. Their goal is to be the first company to make cars in a way that's advanced and has a low environmental impact. This shows how determined Bentley is to not only join the EV business, but also change it. As part of this new day, Bentley's range will grow by a lot. Iconic models like the Bentayga SUV, Flying Spur sedan, and Continental GT Coupe will all get electric versions. Also, there are rumors that a brand new electric vehicle will be added to the range, possibly to replace the Mulsanne, which has been taken off the market. So, Bentley is ready for a huge overhaul of its products. This big change shows how Bentley sees the future, where sustainable luxury is the most important thing. A new Bentley is really just around the corner. That's all for today. Here we conclude our comprehensive review of the 2024 Bentley EV. So, what's your take on Bentley's electric future? Leave a comment and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more analysis from us.